The sound of birds chirping overhead pulls you out of your thoughts as you take that first exhilarating step into the unknown. The world stretches before you, vast and full of possibilities. Backpacking is a journey, not just to faraway lands, but toward self-discovery. But to make the most of this adventure, it's essential to be prepared. Let's dive into the details of how you can travel light, stay smart, and embrace the unpredictable. Imagine standing on a remote hillside, the only sound being the wind brushing through tall grass. This is the moment where your backpack becomes your closest companion. Choosing the right one is critical. For example, a 45-liter backpack is perfect for balancing capacity and portability. It's big enough to carry essentials but small enough that you're not weighed down. Look for a pack like the Osprey Farpoint 40. It's durable, compact, and comes with adjustable straps that can save your back on long hikes. Take the time to adjust your straps properly and make sure the hip belt carries most of the load. You'll thank yourself when you're hiking uphill with ease instead of struggling with an unbalanced weight. Picture yourself navigating a cobbled street in Europe or a narrow jungle path in South America, moving freely because your pack is an extension of you, not a burden. Imagine you're standing at your hostel, about to leave for the next leg of your journey. You open your backpack and everything is in order. Only what's necessary and nothing more. This is the secret to smart packing. Imagine carrying versatile clothes, like quick-dry t-shirts and lightweight pants. You're in Southeast Asia, where the humidity is high, and those quick-dry fabrics save you from the discomfort of sweat-soaked clothes. A good rule of thumb is to pack enough for 1 week, even if you're traveling for a month. For example, a pair of convertible pants that turn into shorts, a moisture-wicking t-shirt, and a light rain jacket like the Patagonia Houdini can get you through different weather conditions without bulking up your pack. Add in a microfiber towel, which dries quickly and takes up barely any space. While exploring remote waterfalls in Costa Rica or bustling markets in India, you'll appreciate how light and practical your pack feels. As the sun sets behind the mountains, you find yourself in a cozy hostel with fellow travelers, swapping stories of adventures. One of the best parts of backpacking is the chance to connect with others while saving money. Booking hostels like Selena in Latin America or YHA in Australia gives you the opportunity to meet fellow adventurers while staying on budget. For example, you might meet a new friend in a common room who shares an incredible off-the-beaten-path destination you hadn't heard about before, but sometimes a more local experience can be priceless. Couchsurfing offers a unique opportunity to stay with locals for free, immersing yourself in their culture. You could find yourself in a Parisian apartment, sharing meals and stories with your host, or staying in a small village in Vietnam, getting first-hand insights into their way of life. Picture this. You've just set up camp by a remote lake in the Canadian Rockies and the stars are starting to peek out overhead. You pull out your trusty sarong. During the day, it was your towel at the beach, but now it's your blanket for stargazing. Multi-purpose gear is the backpacker's best friend. Every item in your pack should have at least 2 uses. A bandana can be used as a towel, a head cover in hot weather, or a quick bandage in case of emergencies. Your flip-flops double as shower shoes and casual footwear for lazy beach days. This approach to packing helps you stay light and flexible, ready for any change in plans or weather. Imagine walking through a busy market in Marrakesh, your senses alive with the sights, sounds, and smells. But amidst the chaos, your mind is at ease because you've prepared for the unexpected. Keeping your documents safe is essential. Use a hidden money belt to store your passport, emergency cash, and credit cards. That way, even in crowded areas, you're protected from potential pickpockets. For example, the PackSafe anti-theft travel belt allows you to keep your valuables close, while your external backpack carries the rest. And always have a digital backup of your passport and documents on your cloud storage. This preparation ensures that even if something happens, you're not stranded. Imagine you're on a train speeding through the Swiss Alps, and your original plan was to stop at Zurich. But another traveler mentions a lesser-known town nearby, famous for its hiking trails and serene lakes. You've got no rigid schedule, so why not hop off and explore? One of the beauties of backpacking is the ability to change your plans on the go. Don't overbook your itinerary. Leave space for those spontaneous detours. They often lead to the most memorable experiences. For example, you could find yourself on an unplanned boat trip on the Dalmatian coast in Croatia, or exploring hidden temples in Cambodia, simply because someone you met recommended it. Imagine you're deep in a jungle trek in Thailand, sweating under the thick canopy, but your trusty hydration pack is by your side, keeping you hydrated as you power through the trail. Staying healthy on the road is crucial to enjoying every part of your journey. Make sure to pack a small first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and ibuprofen. You'll be glad you did after a long day of hiking or an unexpected scrape. Also, a portable water purifier like the Life Straw ensures you can safely drink from natural water sources, whether you're trekking in the Andes or camping in the backcountry of New Zealand. Imagine at the end of the day, as you sit on a hill watching the sunset over the horizon, you realize that backpacking isn't just about visiting new places. It's about the experiences, the challenges, the connections you make along the way. It's the freedom of carrying only what you need and discovering that less truly is more. This journey is about you, the open road, and the stories waiting to be written. So pack light, travel smart, and let the adventure unfold in ways you never expected. As the sun sets on your latest adventure, remember that backpacking isn't just about the places you visit, but the moments you create and the lessons you learn along the way. Whether you're navigating unfamiliar streets or setting up camp beneath a starry sky, every experience shapes your journey. So pack light, stay open to the unexpected, and let the world surprise you. Your adventure has just begun. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the essentials of backpacking. Remember, every adventure starts with smart preparation and an open mind. Whether you're traveling across continents or exploring your own backyard, the road ahead is filled with endless possibilities. So pack light, stay safe, and embrace the journey. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventure guides. We'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!